Hey, hello guys. How are you doing? This is Swanati. So let's start the video with our motto. Winning is a choice and we choose to win always. So why we are choosing to win always? Because when you are preparing yourself to win, you will take all the efforts you can, and you will find ways to make it happen. So you have to choose to win always so that you will be prepared. So now let see the requirements for to be an option buyer. So option buying, why it is that much tempting for everybody? It's because it needs less capital, and if you are having 15,000 to 20,000, then you can be an option buyer in nifty and bank nifty. So because it needs very less capital and it attracts so many people to become option buyers. And what is the most important factor which decides an option buyer to be successful is when you know how much amount you want to take from market, and when you know your limit, like this many trades I can take per day, or this many trades I can take as per my capital capacity. So if you have that much clarity, then you can be option buyer always. But if you have an urge to be in the trade always, like when once the market opens, you will be entering the trade, and till the market close you want to be in some trade. In option buying means those people will be losing money. So why the option buyers are having the tendency to be in a trade always is, as I told, it needs less capital. Just you just have to click a buy order and it will go with less capital. So if you can control the urge to be in a trade always, you can become a successful option buyer. But in the same time, if you don't have the capacity to control your emotions, and you keep on taking trade, then you will blow up your capital in 1 or 2 days itself. It's that simple. Okay, so you should know the um, drawbacks of option buying. It needs less capital and the urge to be in a trade always. These are the drawbacks a trader have to overcome to become a successful option buyer. Okay, so the next question is, um, how many of you are making small profit, like 10 trades will be you will be making small profit, and one trade that will be taking all the small profits you have made for few days? How many of you are in that situation? So if you are in that situation, it means you may be taking too many trades, or you are taking a trades which has a less uh, less winning rate. Like if you are not having a high probability trade setup, then you will be having a less winning rate, and with that type of strategy, then you will be getting small profit, but one big loss will wipe away all the profit you have gained. It means you are not having a right strategy. So the next thing is, some people will be making small losses, but they will be making big profits. So these people can make, what to say, uh, it will be like a jackpot or a lottery ticket winning, that type of big money that they can make. But these people need emotional control and emotional stability, because buying in option buyers need less capital, and if you can control your emotions to be in the trade always, then only you can be successful. Okay, so if you are making small profit and big losses, means somewhere it is very clear that you are making mistakes somewhere. So you have to clarify it. Unless you clarify it and keep on doing what you are doing so far, then it is not, you won't be you won't get that much profit. because doing the same thing will give same result only. You have to rectify your mistakes to get more profit. So today nifty, let's say like I saw the option chain before, whenever you are trading in options, and yes, when that too option buyer, you have to check OI. Okay, so I saw 16,000 is having a strong resistance, and next to that 16,100 was having a resistance. So that was the initial understanding about nifty. So nifty opened above, it opened and went in between 16,000 and 1600. So if like it was something like from above the resistance and below the another resistance, that type of opening nifty gave. So I thought nifty won't give that much big fall. Okay, because it was in between 16,000 and 1600. And same time, I checked the bank nifty. So bank nifty OI was having a strong resistance around 35,000. See, the price opened below 35,000 and made high in the first 5 minutes below 35,000 only. So it is still respecting the 35,000 resistance zone. So it can fall, give a good movement. So that was my understanding. Everybody will be having different type of interpretation about OI. Okay, so once I see a bearish sign here, I can short. So that was my plan when after the 5 minutes of bank nifty and nifty movement. So once the bank nifty was unable to move above 35,000, once I gave a sign of a bearish sign, this one second candle, I went short and it moved nicely. And how much amount we can expect from, since 35,000 is a strong resistance, then we can expect it will move towards at least 300 to 500 point. So it gave nearly 400 point. So if you have taken some option, um, like a 34,900 or 35,000 PE, then it gave a very good movement. And that gave one trade is enough, like from here to here, or something like when you're seeing some bullish sign, if you close your trades, this move itself should have given you 100 points. So after that, if the trend is not clear, then it will be going like this, because it is having support here, right? So once it breaks the support, you can take another trade like this. But still it is not that much, risk reward is not that much good. As I told you, small profit, if you are making, means one big loss will take away. The right trade setup is when once the price is unable to break the resistance around 35k, then we once it shows a bearish sign, we go short. Okay, so taking this type of entries, you can expect 30 points, maximum 40 points profit only. So that is about bank nifty's movement today. And let me take nifty movement. As I told you, nifty was not that much bearish, because it was in between 16,000 and 16,100. So I expected it will fall few points only. So once you see this bearish sign, and once it is below 16,000, and you can go short and book some profit, as from one resistance, the fall will be fast from to next resistance. But since the price was making movement within the range in the first 5 minutes, I guess, my guess was like it won't give that much more. So it didn't fall that much, but still it gave some movement. um, So in option buying you should have high probability trade setup. Okay, so that's why I am seeing these things like where it is taking resistance, and where it is going to move next. So before entering the trade itself, I will know where to get out of the trade. Okay, so this is the analysis about nifty's movement today. And bank nifty gave a very nice move, like from here to here, and then a small retracement, and it fall down again, and it went up, and it will again test this level. And then before it give any downfall, it will test this zone for a few more time, or again it will be having resistance around this zone. So I think it will fall from here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this type of range movement, if you're an option buyer, unless you're not sure about the movement, then this type of movement, if you are buying option, means it won't be that much profitable. But you have to capture this type of strong movements. Okay, so this type of capturing strong movement will give you money as an option buyer. So next, nifty, where it is taking support. The Nifty, I don't think it will fall that much, because it is still taking support as this level, like this zone. It is somewhat falling and moving up, and it is showing some kind of what to say, strength in upside. So it won't fall much today, I guess, but I don't know. Market only decide. So we'll see. So the as I said, you have to remember these things, like if you are making small profit, and one big loss made swipe away your capital, if you are not having any perfect strategy. So here I have applied the OI understanding, like where is the highest resistance OI buildup. From OI buildup you can find out. So nifty, highest OI buildup was 16,000, and after that it is having the resistance around 1600, but the price opened in between the 16,000 and 1600 in the first 5 minutes. So I thought it won't fall much. So I can expect small profit from the fall. On the other hand, bank nifty, it was unable to break the 35k in the first 5 minutes. So once I see the bearish sign, I shorted it, because also it was having a trend line resistance around this level. So capturing this movement will be good if when you're an option buyer. Okay, so that's all for today. This is Vanati signing off. Remember, you can trade better than you think.